So I had made these the candlesticks I got at Salvation Army, and it was a really good find. And then I had made some chalk paint last year, and I've done a video on it, but I'm gonna do more videos on it. So I did some chalk paint, and I added it to the base, and then I distressed it a little bit. A bit of a wet distress. I took a bit of a wet paper towel or wet cloth and wiped it down, and I also took some sandpaper. And then I was thinking about, I'm gonna add a top to it, make a little tabletop. So I have two of them here. So this will be the other one. And it'll be something like that. So what I'm gonna do is grind the top down and sand it, and I'll show you how I'm gonna do a little bit of a burn on it and add some color and then seal it. So that's what I wanna get that done this week. And then Andy has been working on, oh, and I've got a whole bunch of, these are a whole bunch of signs I had made with my daughter Brooke when she was home. So we got a bunch of signs ready to go, ready to paint. And then we have over here, it's a mess in here, but over there is a shelf. That's gonna be a shelf that somebody ordered. That's a custom order. And then Andy's working on this table with some, it's a cedar table with some 4x4s for the legs, and he's working on that. And right now, I'll take you outside. He's working on a table, and his grinder has to go back to Canadian Tire because it's ready to blow up. And this one is upside down, but it has a cedar stump for the base and a cedar top. I'll get a different angle of it. And there's the grinder that's ready to blow up. And he was just grinding it a bit, making it look better, and the grinder's giving him a hassle. So the grinder will go back, we'll get a new one, and then we'll post some pictures, or I'll try to get some video of it going. I'm gonna set up the video in the shop this week. I can't go live in there because the Wi-Fi doesn't reach, but I'll do some video and download it. Thanks for joining. It's Sandy at the lumber mill, and we are going to be sharing a bunch of woodworking tips, how-tos, do it yourself. I'm gonna be doing some crafts and some repurposing furniture. So if that's anything that you are interested in, smash the subscribe button and come back and check us out. Thanks. Bye.